Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to start depositing ERC20 on the CrystalBallMarkets website. In the deposit section, you carefully navigate through the options. You choose the ERC20 token from the list of available options. After making your selection, you confidently click on the Proceed button in this section. And friends, please note that in the next section, for depositing ERC20 to your CrystalBallMarkets account, you must receive 6 confirmations before it is credited to your account. In this section, make sure that the address you enter exactly matches the address on your wallet, and then you scan this barcode with your wallet. And after scanning the barcode with your mobile phone, you enter the desired amount in the wallet and click on Next. Please note that a network fee of $2.73 will be charged. And then you click on Convert. The ERC20 deposit is under review. This process usually takes some time for depositing ERC20. To check your transactions, you enter the balance history, you select the deposit, and in this section, you can view your transaction history. And friends, our deposit was successfully completed after 1 hour. Good luck.